5 ways to fund your business. All right. This is for startup business owners. This is for business owners before the pandemic. Stay tuned. You don't want to miss this one. Thanks for returning back to the channel. I'm going to get right to it because I do know exactly how important it is for businesses to get funding. Sometimes it's necessary or very necessary to even stay in business. All right, so let's get to number 1. A business cash advance. Now, a business cash advance is it's a loan, it's similar to a loan, and it's based on the revenue that a business makes each and every month. So, in situations like this, bank verification of your business revenue would be necessary. All right, so now these new personal loans that I have are extremely popular because they cater to a large variety of people. Now, these could be for people who want to start up a business, right? So startup capital is not really available, okay? It's very scarce, and definitely your big bank is definitely not going to have it. So we do have alternative lending, and you can get a personal loan. The requirement typically is that you have a minimum of a 700 credit score. All right. So if you do not, they will also allow a cosigner. Now, let me tell you the type of people who have been getting this. Okay, a lot of the new businesses are getting the startup funding, but also I'm seeing a trend of real estate investors, new real estate investors getting the personal loans. Now, the reason for this is because many times, if you are a new real estate investor and you want to fix and flip a property, all right, the real estate fix and flip programs, they want to see a track record of properties that you fixed and flipped in the past. And if you don't have that, sometimes your down payment could be ginormous compared to what it could be if you had 5 or 10 fix and flips under your belt. The next source of funding I want to talk about is refinancing real estate. All right, so you can refinance a personal home or like get a line of credit, or if you have investment properties, you can refinance those. The goal would be to take some cash out so that you can invest some more. All right, the next way to fund your business that I want to talk about is equipment financing or equipment leasing. Okay, I consider this a form of funding for your business because if you are able to lease or finance some equipment, a lot of times you might pay $1,000 a month for this particular piece of equipment, and then it could probably make you $10,000 for each job that you do. So a lot of the equipment that gets financed or leased is like equipment for plumbers or people in construction or people in manufacturing. If you've learned anything so far, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. All right, give me a thumbs up. This way you can reference back to the video if you need more information. It also helps my channel a lot. All right, last but not least, what I want to talk about are the term business loans. Now, businesses, I want to say physicians or people who've been in business and have a strong history and a strong business credit score. All right, they are getting some business term funding up to $2 million. All right, and the terms are pretty good too. All right, they are flexible, but you can get up to 10 years, right? 10 whole years to pay back some business funding. That's pretty good. You know, besides the SBA, this is a pretty good term. So I want to thank you for tuning in and watching this video. Now, can you comment down below on which business funding option I spoke about that you want me to elaborate on and give more details about? I will be happy to come back I will come right back and do another video and go into great detail and also show you some information. So let me know in the comment section which business funding you want me to elaborate more on. All right, so that is it for today. Thanks for watching. It's Katina Willis. This right here is your place for business funding, credit, and real estate. All right, and don't forget, head on over to Instagram because I give daily updates on business funding there. So the name is KatinaTheBroker.com, and I will see you next time.